Welcome to another episode of Stock Socks. Honestly, I almost don't want to be recording a video tonight. It was very late over here in Shanghai, and I kind of just want to go to sleep. But, you know, I do want to be a bit professional about this. And given that I haven't posted for a couple of days now, just want to give you guys an update. I'm also going to tell you that I'm changing the format of these things so that I'm just going to tell you guys more about stocks that I'm getting into and less about when my exit points are, because I think if you're watching these videos, you're really just looking for things to buy. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. All right. So first thing to tell you about today is that I picked up some visor. Not really because there was any big news going on, but just because if you look at technically, it is sort of at the lower end of the zone. And the other thing is, it actually picked up a big asset today, in that it picked up it picked up a weight loss drug company, an area in which apparently it wasn't very good at. So, given that it's sort of been treading water all this time, and now we have this good news of it picking up a valuable asset, yeah, I went in. So we'll see. Alright, the next one to tell you about is not very exciting at all. It's Microsoft. So right now there are maybe 7 big companies in the stock market that have huge valuations, but Microsoft recently has not been treated very well by investors. So I picked it up today not because of anything big or if it suffered any significant losses, but it's just like, well, it's not too expensive right now, relatively speaking, so I picked it up. Next one is APD, and again, I picked this up before, not because I know too much about the company, just because it's got a low enough P ratio for me to accept, and also a trading behavior or a trading pattern where it tends to trade in a range. So I just felt like, well, today it was worth picking up again. So yeah, those are things I bought today. Now, regarding things that I sold today, I sold Micron. I'll tell you about that. I sold 2 things today. So Micron, the investor call is coming up at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and if you look at it, going up to this call, it's been going up and up and up, and so it was a hard decision because I was like, well, maybe I should wait for the call, and what if they release some really good news? Then if I sell before then I'd be leaving money sitting on the table. But it's actually had such a good run. It made me think, it would take significant good news for it to keep its run after the call. So I decided to get out of it. Yeah. Um, the other thing is, so United. Oh, that's weird. So yeah, it started off today strong, and that's when I sold. I only bought 2 days ago. Um, I like the stock. I mean, it's United Airlines. We don't know what United Airlines is, and the P ratio is very reasonable. Um, so I've had it for 2 days, and so when it kept making its run today, I sold it. But I guess it's back down a little bit now today. So yeah, I guess I got lucky. Okay, so those were the moves that I made today, and thanks for keeping up with my stock trades, and I hope you make lots of money. Cheers.